at large. So, moving ahead, Ganesh, my next question is for you. So, India has one of the largest developer workforces in the world. How does NVIDIA envision the country's AI skilling roadmap? Tell us more about the initiatives you have and the impact you've seen on the ground.
So let me answer the second part first, the impact, right? So if you look at the landscape today in India, the software developers community is the largest community we have, or the formally developed community we have today, to take the AI-driven innovations, or even to drive the economic performances out of AI. That is the community we need to go and scale. And the second one is, if you look at today, there are millions of developers available today, already working in various organizations or in the industry. But the second important addition which is happening is from the students community, especially from the higher education, which will drive the nation's economic growth using AI or by implementing AI, as well as we can become the biggest exporters of AI in the world. So that is the impact which it can have by developing by providing the skilling or reskilling or upskilling. Now, how do we do that in NVIDIA is we have two strong approaches. One is we are tying up with the industry, which are the IT houses, where we provide them the expertise to develop a curriculum depending on the areas which they want to work. Just to give an example, you might have read our partnership with the two major IT houses in the country, which is TCS and Infosys, which itself houses about 700,000 plus developers. So we are developing core curriculum with them to take the developers into the next level of AI. The second one is the programs which we have for the universities or the institutional bodies, which can go and deliver it to the students. But to meet this economies of scale, the way we deliver this program is we make the faculties first AI aware, or to be able to deliver those courses to the students. So we have a program called NVIDIA DLI Ambassador Program, where we go and sign up with the faculties, the institutions to train the faculties first, and then we provide the faculties, enable the faculties with our instructor-led courses, the commercial courses, as well as they get loads of aid to support with the teaching aid. And just give an example, the MOU which we just signed with NILET, it is to train about 500 faculties, who in turn can train about 10,000 students in the next 2 years. That is the economics of scale which we need to achieve to train those millions of students and the industry developers. So that's basically how we implement our skills program. And just to add on to that, these are the programs which we deliver is the same program which we use internally for our engineers. Now, when our CEO Jensen was here in September 23, he mentioned that the 1/3 of our developer force which is sitting in India, each one of them will be enabled on AI. This is the same courseware, same content which we'll be giving to the faculties for the industry or to the students. So they become industry-ready AI developers.
Thank you. And